Question routing is a way of controlling exactly which questions each participant sees. It ensures that a survey is no longer than it needs to be and that it is relevant to the answers that are given. Snap question routing is very powerful and very flexible, so I'm going to show you a couple of quick examples of what you can do. So in this first example, at the moment there is only one question, and if I say no to that question, routing causes a message to come up thanking me for my time, but that's as long as the survey would be. However, if I say yes, I will in turn start to see more questions appear. So here I have which forms of transport do I use to get to work. I'm going to say I use a bike and a car and a bus. And for each of those three forms of transport, routing has then caused an additional question to appear, asking how frequently I travel by each of those methods. So I can answer that using the slider control just here. There's only one last question as to whether I would consider car sharing. If I say no, then I can submit and the survey is over, but if I say yes, I'll get a further question through which I can leave my details to share with other drivers locally. So routing rules can be based on the answers to any number of questions, any combination of answers. There's no real limitation on that with Snap. They can also be based on the results of in-survey calculations, which I'm going to show you in my second example. In-survey calculations work behind the scenes as the survey is being completed to recategorize or to transform the answer data, and the result of that calculation can inform routing. So I have an example here whereby any groups in excess of 10 will be offered a discount on their next visit. So here I have a group size of 15, and there's the offer of the discount for next time. So the in-survey calculation has added together the answer to these two questions, determined that the total group size is 15. Question routing based on that total has caused this question to appear, and additionally we also have text substitution, inserting the total number of visitors into the text of the next question. So there are three separate elements working together there to personalise the questionnaire. So if I now go back and reduce the total group size to less than 10, again, the in-survey calculation will work out that we have a total, in this case, of 8, and then based on that result, routing will skip past the offer of a discount to the next question.